Is your Canon PIXMA printer not working? Let's fix the 5 most common problems in minutes. First, press the resume button to clear the error. Check for page to reload the tray. Finally, check ink levels and power cycle the printer on. If your printer is not printing, first check the ink levels. Check the ink levels and clear the stuck print queue. Seeing offline? Set your printer to online and restart both your printer and Wi-Fi.
If your printer won't connect to Wi-Fi, reconnect it using the correct password or WPS.
Paper jam? Turn off the printer and carefully remove the stuck paper. Error codes usually mean cartridge issues. Remove, clean, and reinstall them. If nothing works, reinstall drivers using the official Canon setup software.
And that's it. Your Canon PIXMA should be working perfectly now.